So in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you how to create a portfolio book mockup. So this is obviously not a real photo, even though it does look pretty good. This is just a completely digital mockup. You don't need to take any photos, anything like that. All you're going to need is your InDesign or PDF file of your portfolio, the pages you want to show, and this Photoshop mockup template. Now you can check the link in the description. I'm going to have the free download for this mockup here, and I'm also going to have the bundle available for sale on Gumroad. Effectively, what's going to happen is you're going to go from your InDesign file where you've just got your portfolio laid out with the pages you want to show in your mockup, and you're going to need the mockup template. So this is the mockup file that I used for my portfolio template video, but the blank mockup document is going to look like this. What you're going to need to use this template is you're going to need two PDFs or images of the individual pages that you want to have shown in this mockup. So each of these pages, the left and the right page, need to be either a separate image or PDF file. So what I do in InDesign is I just open up the spread, just click File, Adobe PDF Presets, High Quality Print, just click Save, and I click the range that I want. So I want page 6 and page 7. You want to click this Create Separate Files window. Don't worry about the suffix, just click Export, and that will give you two separate InDesign pages like you can see here. So then you're going to go back into Photoshop where there's this little green icon for the important left page. It says Change Here. Double click on the Smart Object thumbnail. It's going to bring up a second file. So you can see this is just the template base. Okay, so what I'm just going to do is create a new layer and delete the template. Just click yes, and I'm just going to fill this layer with a white color just because I want that to be the base. And then you're going to go File, Place Link, to navigate to the correct PDF of the base page we'd like to add. Click OK. It's going to be the wrong page size, so just drag that up till it fits the page, and then we're done. So what you do is you just click the little cross on this new layer 3 which is opened up. Just click Save. That'll save back into the mockup, and you can see it's been imported. So now you're just going to repeat that for the right page. So again, I'm just going to create a new layer, delete the old layer, place a white fill. We're going to place link to the second page of our mockup, and that one came in automatically at the right size. And then you can just click the X on the layer 4 which is opened up. Make sure you click Save. So now that's done, you could just save this out as a PNG or a JPEG by clicking the File Export button. But there's some other functionality in this mockup file in Photoshop which we can change. So there's the edge color of the booklet. That's this portion of the mockup here. So just double click on this swatch, and if you change the color, that will change the color of the pages of the booklet. Some of you might want to add a highlight color or suggest that the pages are another color other than white, so you can change that there. And the other thing you can change is the background. So you can see in the example I had a dark background. You just simply click on this swatch here and select a color that you like. Just click OK, and you can change that whenever you like. And if you want to really get into it, you can see the page actually has some highlights and shadow applied. So if you turn off this group here, you can see what the mockup looks like without any of those additional changes added. I just tend to leave them on because it makes the pages look like they're a little bit glossy and reacting to a light. Now you can go into this group and edit those if you like. I tend to just leave it turned on, and now you can just export this image out as you like. If you want to do additional mockups, you can either make a new copy of this file and change the pages, or once you've exported, you can simply double back into these pages here and replace the content by just right clicking on the link and replacing it with a different file. So you can just delete out this PDF here and then go back to File, Place Linked, and add a new page, save that out, and you can carry on changing your mockup. Now it's that simple, and I think it's a really good step to use if you're going to show your portfolio on any of the online websites or just adding it onto your Instagram or anything like that. It's a really nice way to see your portfolio in a more of a realistic format rather than just as pages on a screen. And I'd recommend having a look at the link below. You can get this mockup for free. Otherwise, I would definitely recommend purchasing the pack. That's going to come with a few more variations and mockup style, so you're going to get more of a top-down view and some other views like that. So I'd recommend checking that out. Any questions, drop your comments below, and I hope that's helped.